services include high-resolution 3D scanning and professional 3D printing. Our 3D scanning clients are companies who have original parts for which they have no 3D designs, dimensions, or drawings. Without these, they cannot improve the design around them, or remanufacture the parts. 3D scanning offers a fast way to capture the physical shape and dimensions of almost any object, down to a resolution of 50 microns. It is ideal for capturing curved surfaces, it's totally portable, and it's completely non-invasive. We can also reverse engineer those 3D scan meshes, creating a clean CAD model which is ready to be exported as a step file into any CAD program, such as SOLIDWORKS. For 3D printing, we offer a wide range of material and technology options. For instance, if you wanted to do high-quality rapid prototyping or small batch productions, our Stratus's polyjet printers and 3D system printers are ideal. Our Asiga SLA machine can print down to 10 micron layers, and since we mix all our resins in-house, we can offer our clients an endless choice of color, transparency, strength, flexibility, and biocompatibility options.